So, have you guys heard that Kathy Woods sold Coinbase stock? Did you sell too? Is now the time to jump ship in Coinbase? Because the market is trading at a price that it hasn't traded at least a year. Look at this. Back in 2022 of May, this is when Coinbase was traded around $130. Why would ARK Invest sell $5 million, more than $5 million, Coinbase shares while the stock price is going up? Wait, hold on. Most people's telling you to hold the stock for the next 60 years, right? 15, 10. They want you to hold it for 15. Why is she selling? Why did ARK Invest sell more than $5 million? Because they've done their research. Now is a good opportunity to come in and sell your position, especially if you bought Coinbase all the way at the low of this year. Okay? If you bought Coinbase in the beginning of this year, $33.37, you are now up on your position almost 300%. But wait, you're supposed to hold the stock for the next 10 years, right? And good luck, because there's no guarantee that Coinbase will harness you 300% returns in less than a year. If you are already sitting on that guaranteed return, there's no guarantee in the next 10 years that you'll have that. That's why ARK Invest sold, because it hit their goal. The price hit a target that they was aiming for, and they know when to leave. Those who tell you to hold a stock for the next 15, 20 years, they don't know when to leave. They want you to stay in a volatile environment in the hopes that you will continually accumulate profit returns. But these individuals, these financial institutions, these Kathy Woods, these ARK Invest individuals, these hedge funds, they don't sit and hope. They have a plan. They implement that plan. And when it hits their targets, their objectives, they leave. On to the next one. They don't sit and hope and wait after quarterly earnings to see if the market is doing better. No, if it hit your area, you go. You leave. There's no need to stay in a volatile environment. It's kind of like a relationship, right? If you're with another partner and they are abusive, and you don't know how they're going to come in and day out, whether they're going to be happy, mad, sad, upset, angry, disgruntled, why would you stay in that volatile environment? You come and get what you came for and you leave. That is the same thing with the stock market, because the stock market can be volatile at times. You don't know from day to day how the market's going to act. You don't know. Is it going to be volatile? Is it going to be rash? Is it going to act crazy? But you want to stay in that volatile environment for the next 10, 15 years. Think about it. It's not complicated. Let's go ahead and get rid of our last price prediction and talk about what we expect now in Coinbase. Congratulations to those who's able to profit off that pretty good run. Now, let's take this line here and we're going to lift it up higher. Because if Kathy Woods sold over $5 million of their stock, it doesn't mean that they got rid of all of it. Maybe they have another target in place. 150, 160 to let their second position go. Like I said, they got an objective. Let's see how strong the market is in Coinbase, because the market completely went ballistic. The market is completely and ultimately massively bullish. It just broke out over the last couple of trading days. Look at all of these strength indicators off of our chart. Crazy. Like I said, you don't know what the market's going to give you on a day-to-day basis. You don't know. Look at all of these indicators of strength. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have almost literally 4 indicators of strength back to back. That is a rarity. That's very rare for you to see that. That just shows you that this stock is still massively bullish. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby. But looking at where the market currently is off that weekly bar, off the highs, yeah, Kathy Woods and maybe other people are now taking profit. And the stock is on the 2 weeks. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame. This also gives me another indication that we may not be finished with Coinbase going up. Look at that monthly chart. We have 8 hours and 43 minutes left. And look at the very healthy spread. Look at the market currently closing at the high of that bar. Look at the indicator that's being triggered. I mean, what else do you suspect? Now, I would tell you on any moves lower in price that the market needs to hold here. That would be the range that the buyers needs to hold price. We exceeded that because on these monthly bars, it was acting as resistance. The month of August, and then again the month of July. That range was resistance, but now the buyers had successfully taken those sellers out. So any move lower, those buyers needs to hold that spot. Okay. So what I'm looking forward to into the market in Coinbase is that it's still going to go up in price. The market is still healthy. It is still trending to the upside. The trend is still in place. Okay. But there will be some volatile days, especially as you saw these sunny days of the market in Coinbase going up in price. Be careful, because there will be dark clouds and storms coming through. Okay, so let me put this on the daily chart. I'm done. Let's see if we can try to determine our next target into the market in Coinbase. So we're going to look for price to go up. We don't want to see the market trade below this area here, 112, 113. Like I said, this is where buyers needs to support price in order for us to know that the market is still bullish or that they're anticipating that the market's going to go up. Okay, we still need to see that. Because the moment that they don't hold this buy zone, we can see the market come all the way back down to this overall trend. Just saying. First target is going to be around 133, 135, which is 4.9% there. Second target is going to be all the way up here at the low of this sell zone that I've created. Up here at the top of 145, this is around 13.33%. And then the third target is going to be at the very top of that sell zone of 155, which is like 20% move higher in Coinbase there. Okay. So this is it. I am done. You guys are up next on dropping your price prediction to the market in Coinbase. Let me know. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.